Spicy biryani recipe. Add 1 medium size of onion in 2 tablespoons of oil and saute it. Then add half kg of chicken and fry it. Till it changes the color. Then add 2 tablespoons of ginger garlic chopped and add 1 packet of biryani masala. And mix it well. Then add 1 medium size of tomato and add a half cup of water to make the chicken tender. When it leaves the oil, then your chicken is ready. And add 1.5 cup of boiled rice. I boiled it separately. And make a layer of rice on this chicken. Now mix the yogurt, 2 tablespoons of yogurt, and put a pinch of yellow color. Then add it on the rice. And separately add half teaspoon of orange color and steam it for 5 to 10 minutes. Then open it, its aroma will come out. Mix it with very soft hand. Your spicy biryani is ready. Now the step to garnish it. Garnish it with coriander, lemon and green chilli. Your spicy biryani is ready. Just give a try.